There's a banger. It's not as deep as the other coins we just found, but it's deep enough to be interesting. Ooh, this dirt's awesome right here. I can just use my hands. Dang, it's still down there. Okay, I'm starting to get scared that it's not a coin. Could be wrong. Super deep, whatever it is. Oh, looky there. That's always a good sign if you're wanting to hunt old spots. That's an old buckle, man. Yeah, and it was about 8 inches deep. Good find. Almost better than a coin. Yeah, buddy. So we got 2 wheats, buckle. David got a Merc already. I got this cool Canadian coin, 1965, and a sick buckle. Old one. Deep.